Welcome to our channel. If you spend late nights browsing the web, you know how challenging it can be to avoid eye strain. But worry no more. In this video, we'll show you how to enable night mode on your browser with the Turn Off the Lights extension. Say goodbye to bright screens and say hello to a more relaxing browsing experience. Let's get started. In your web browser, click right on the gray lamp button, and select the menu item, Options. The Turn Off the Lights options page will show up. Click on the Night Mode tab and enable the checkbox that says, Show the Night Switch button below the web page to make the page dark or light. Next, enable the Time checkbox to ensure that the night switch will only be visible during specific hours. Outside of this time range, the night switch will not be visible. Furthermore, enable the checkbox that reads, Automatically go to night mode when a new page is opened. This way, every time you open a new page or click on a hyperlink, it will instantly convert to your personalized dark mode website version. Also, make sure to enable the time checkbox, so it will only activate during your chosen time at night. When you return to the first tab and the specific time is met, the night switch will appear, instantly enabling night mode. That's it. We hope you enjoy a more comfortable browsing experience from now on. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.